Hello my friends, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share a traditional regional recipe from the Black Sea coast, Trabzon city, using good old winter vegetable, pumpkin, some onions, eggs, corn flour, salt and pepper. Very easy to make. Let's begin. I love using pumpkin when it's the season. My favorite recipes are traditional pumpkin dessert, Balkabağı tatlısı. I already shared in my recent episodes along with pumpkin bread and my creamy, spicy pumpkin soup I usually make during winter. And this time I wanted to give it a try, another recipe using a slice of it. And I got the recipe from my sister-in-law, my relative. My husband is from Trabzon city, so they have like different regional recipes, and this will be one of them. This is about like 600-700 grams. I'm gonna use half of it for the recipe. Today I'm using medium-sized pan. This is about 22 centimeter in diameter, I think. I will be making for 2-3 of us, so for the half of it I'm gonna use 1 onion and half of the pumpkin. I'm gonna grate from the coarse side. Okay. I'm gonna get some salt, about half a teaspoon here and half here. And first I want to rub them a little bit to soften the onions and pumpkins. You can also do that right in the bowl, but since I have a big countertop here, it's just fine. And then let me get everything to the bowl. My eyes are burning. I'm gonna cry a little bit. And going to crack 2 eggs. Adding 3 heaped tablespoons corn flour and let's say 2 regular all-purpose flour. Let's stir now. Okay, the vegetable, the olive oil. When you continue to stir, it will soften. Right now it looks like dry. Don't add more flour first. It is like a consistency of fritters. Not very like mushy, but a little bit wet. Okay. I was almost gonna drop the olive oil, precious olive oil. I'm gonna add a little bit olive oil here. It is kind of getting wet, so I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon more corn flour here. Since I'm shaping on countertop, I couldn't heat up my pan, but it is actually better to heat a little bit the oil and press the mixture while the pan is hot. This way it will set more easily and cook evenly. Since everything is raw, it is better not to make it very thick. Either you can cook in a bigger, wider pan or cook the half and then the other half. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just make it even and ready to go to stove top. My heat was a bit medium high, so it didn't cook evenly, and this is what I'm talking about. If I put the mixture into the hot pan already, it will begin to create a crust right away because of the heat, and this will help to cook it more evenly. So I flipped over a couple of times until I have nice crust, and continue to cook in total for about 8-10 minutes. Later on, with the leftover batter, I cooked more thinner this time, and it was more crispier when you bake on a medium-low heat with enough butter or olive oil. Okay, my pumpkin tava is ready. Over caramelized a little bit. Well, actually it is more delicious, the extra brown spots. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It has an interesting taste, a little bit like potato, but the richness of the pumpkin is more. It is soft inside and has a crust outside. The crust is really beautiful. A little bit sweetness coming from the pumpkin too. I also prepared kind of a small tea time for us with my daughter. Potato salad with yogurt and mayonnaise dressing, and pumpkin dessert, but this time it's a layer of biscuits, vanilla cream, and on top I have a pumpkin dessert puree mixed with broken cookies. It's very delicious, so it has walnuts in it. If you want, I can write down the recipe for you. Just tell me right down. Don't forget to check my other pumpkin recipes from the description box below. I hope you try and enjoy it as a snack for lunch, as a side dish. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Afiyet olsun.